If you are still spending hours building funnels and websites, you are already behind because Go High Level just dropped something that can build an entire funnel or website for you just in minutes. And let's be honest, most people waste hours tweaking pages, fixing layout, writing copy, connecting surveys and quizzes, and still end up with something that barely converts. What I'm about to show you completely removes that bottleneck. Now, I've tested a lot of AI tools. Most of them overpromise and underdeliver. But this one, it actually changes how funnels and websites get built. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you one, how this AI builds funnels automatically, how fast it actually works, and whether it's actually good enough to replace manual building. And trust me, the results surprise me. It's insane. Let's get into it. Before we jump in, here's the reality. Most funnel or website builders require writing copy, designing layout, structuring pages, connecting everything manually. That is where most people get stuck. This AI changes that by doing the heavy lifting for you. So let's get into the demo right now. Let's get our hands dirty. If you are familiar with Go High Level, you know that this is the dashboard. And so you want to be in your sub account because you have the agency account and then you have the sub account. So we are going to do this in the sub account, and I'm going to pick one of my accounts, which is Luminous Consciousness. And then once you do that, you want to be on labs. And so you go to settings and then you scroll down and you go to labs. And labs is where they have their new features that are coming. Go High Level new features that are going to come out. And so we scroll down, and what we are looking for right now is the AI studio. As you can see over here, it's toggled off. So what I want to do is to just toggle on and then go back to my Go High Level. At that point, I'm going to see it on this side because now I cannot see it. So let's go back and see if we are going to see it now. Boom, that is right there. It says AI Studio and it's in the beta version because they are still testing it out. But this tool is insane. So let's go in and let's vibe. And vibe coding, as you know, is coding something with natural language. So you don't have to be technical to really build something. You can do that with natural language. Just as I'm talking, you can build apps, calendars, anything that you want with vibe coding, just using natural language. So this is the dashboard for the AI Studio. So as you can see here, they have templates that you can take some inspiration from. You have landing pages, dashboards, if you want to build an app, e-commerce, portfolio, blog, and also to do tax. You can literally do anything. And that's one thing I love about this. So let's say you want to build something quickly, like before we do that, let me just show you. These are all the projects. If you have a favorite project that you want to start, you can do it here. And all these are going to be the recent pages that you've built or the recent projects that you've built. So let's start. Just as I said, this is vibe coding. So you can use you can use natural language to describe what you want. And so I can either pick a template from here or I can just give it an instruction. So for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to say, build me a dental practice website. And then we just hit enter and let's see what it's going to do. So as you can see, it has started and we are in the preview mode. So you can see what it's doing behind the scenes. It's going to take some time, but this is really fast. When it came out in the beginning, it would take about 15 minutes to build a website, but the Go High Level team have really done a wonderful job of speeding this up. So it builds this website in minutes. And as you can see here, we have the code. So if you are nerdy, if you are somebody who really wants to play around with the code, you can see how the whole structure is and you can get in there and tweak certain things and make it customizable if you want. But we are not going to do that because we are taking advantage of the vibe coding thing that we now have. And so let's go back to the preview screen and see what it's doing. And as it's doing, you can see, you can toggle the sidebar. Right now, we can see what is going on. Everything that it's doing is setting up the design system, SEO, generate assets, build core components, assemble landing page. It's doing everything for you. And here you have the view history where you can go back to the different versions of your work. So if you make a mistake or something, you make changes to something that you don't really like, you can always go back, you view your history, and then you can make changes. And also, this is where you put your prompt, so you can have conversation with it. Once it's done, you're going to tell it what you want it to do. So you can have back and forth conversation. And here is where you can do to get a preview of the website that you've built. And then this tab here, this button here is a publish button where you can connect. Once you publish, you can connect your domain to it. So this is so easy. Anybody can build a website, spin up a website just in minutes. And this is so wonderful. I'm so happy about this because when it comes to the drag and drop, if you are somebody who uses Go High Level or any of these website building apps out there, you see that you drag and drop. And even with AI, it's still complicated because you have to build your funnel, you have to build your forms, you have to build, let's say, quizzes, whatever that you need for that website or landing page to function fully. You have to connect all these pieces together. Now, with AI Studio, you can vibe code this and connect everything in the back end, your calendar, everything, all within minutes. And this used to take me about a week just to get everything together and test it around. But now I can build this website, landing pages, funnels, websites, what have you. I can build them in minutes with all the assets that I need. So this is wonderful. I'm so excited about this. And it's free for you to try right now because they started about a week ago and this is on trial. So I think it's still got about 20 days for it to make it live, but you can still use it. You can build it. I'm building applications, I'm building apps and websites with this. I'm testing it out. So I hope you can also sign up and test drive this. If you already have Go High Level, then I recommend that you test this out because it's going to save you a ton of time and it's going to bring you more money because if you can spin up websites, a lot of websites in a couple of minutes, guess how many websites you'll be building for your clients in a day. So let's continue. Now it's telling me that it's finished. I've built a beautiful modern landing page for Lumina Dental. I gave it a name. I can change that. This site features a clean teal and white color palette, hero section, AI generated imagery, and all that. You can read all of that. I'm not going to go into that, but let's wait and see what it's going to do. And let's see if we can have a preview of this. And so I'm going to click on this button. I think it's still working. So let's see here. Let me wait for it to finish because it hasn't finished. Still getting it ready. Hopefully, it's going to be done soon. We can check it and then we can start making changes. Whatever we want to do, we can do that. As you can see here, look at this. It's built a beautiful website. And this is just, I didn't give it enough details as far as my prompt was concerned. But this is what I've gotten from this 1-2 lines of natural language, vibe coding language for it to give me this website. Now look at this website. I might not like the color theme, I might not like certain things, the font or all that kind of stuff. This can all be changed. Book an appointment. It's not connected at the moment, but this is like the first layer, right? Is this perfect? No, but this is what you build on. You are not starting from 0 to 100%, but you are starting from 80-90%, and the rest is just tweaking here and there. So we have the baseline services about us. It's built, it's already built it about us, and the rest of it is just tweaking and giving it the content that you want, changing the colors and all that kind of stuff. So you can see how you can quickly build a website. There is no excuse anymore. We can build websites off the hook, like just like that, by snapping a finger. And so let's go and look at another use case, how you can use this thing to build a website. Now, you can clone a website. So let's say you go to a website or your competitor website you think that is doing well, or there's a landing page that you think is doing very well. You want to clone it. All that you need to do is to get that URL. And so let me do a Google search and just go to, maybe plumbing websites in Pembroke Pines. That is my area in South Florida, Pembroke Pines. So I just want to pick any website I see, and then I can ask it to clone that website for me. So let's use this one here. And all that I'm going to tell AI Studio is to build me a website like this. And that's it. So I copied the URL and I say, please clone this website and use this name as my company name. So let's say Baykes Plumbing, right? And then I want to use this website. And so I put this in here and then I put the URL. Oh my gosh, it copied everything. So let's see if I can. So I'm going to take everything here, and because this is like the tracking for that plumbing, so I'll delete this and just leave this. So let's see what's going to happen. So if the URL was right, it's just going to build it exactly as the competitor's website. And this is great, right? You can use this if you are an SEO guy or you are a website builder. You can use this to clone a potential client's website, and then you can add more features and say that, hey, you have this website, but this is how I've built it. This is what I've added. I can add this and I can add that. And this is going to make you sell to them because they're going to like what you've built. And vibe coding is like the new thing that is popping right now. You don't need to know how to code, just use your natural language. Now, I could have gone very explicit with my prompt. And usually, what I do is, because this is a demo, I didn't want to spend time on that. But usually, what I do is I discuss this with Claude or my AI and any kind of AI, chat GPT, and then it gives me a prompt with the details, the color palette, the brand information, the name, address, the calendar I want to use, everything. I copy the whole thing and then I paste it in there and then it builds it. That way I'm 50% done. And all that I need to do is to customize maybe the privacy policy and all those bits and pieces. But you get the whole idea. This is like the new thing on the block and you want to get your hands on it and utilize it. If you have Go High Level, this will be good news to you because I've been spending a lot of money on Lovable. Lovable is a vibe coding tool like this. And just last week, I was just thinking about upgrading my account and I didn't even know that this update was here. So this is going to save me another $400 to $500 every year just by having this in Go High Level. And I don't have to have all those things, my website and my landing pages and all those things in other platforms, right? I can have everything under one roof. So this is a big win for Go High Level users. And I encourage that you guys try it out. If you don't have it, I have a 14-day trial and I have it in the description below. You can grab that URL and test it and see how it goes. And I believe that you are going to stick with it. So as you can see, it's generating the assets, set up design system, build the header and hero, and it's going to do all this, and once it's done, I can have a back and forth conversation with it. So let's see how this goes as it rolls. And as this thing is building, I also want to let you know that there is another video where I did a live demo. I go into details about how this works. This is just a quick one that I want to help people who just need to know this, how to use this thing quickly. But if you really want to go into the nitty-gritty of this whole thing, then I have an extended version of this, which is a live demo that I go through the step-by-step, what is vibe coding, all the features and other things that you need to know about this. So I encourage you to check this out, and I'm going to give you the title by the end of this presentation. If you are a freelancer, an agency owner, a coach, or someone building offers online, this tool can save you hours every single week. And more importantly, it removes the biggest barrier most people face, that is getting started. We are almost done with this. It's building the footer an assembly, and after that it's going to be done and we're going to see what we have. So let's look at how this site looks like. Right, this is the copy, the website that we want to copy. Let's see if it's going to do exactly the same thing. Boom, look at this. This is amazing. Let's look at this, how this was built. Right, it's exactly the same thing, Baykes plumbing. And let's look at the look and feel, everything. So now if I don't like the color, the theme, or the branding, all that I need to do is to tell it to change the color, the branding. And look at this. It's not like 100%, but it kind of takes everything, right? And you can see here it gives you a logo, and the rest of the stuff is just to look at this. It gave me someone in there. I can change this, I can add my own image, and I can change so many things over here. It's just about communicating with the AI studio. So I can say that, change the color theme, change the color theme to, let's say, green and black, and let's see what's going to happen. So I just want to, I'm just coming up with some prompts and see if all these things is going to work. But you can see if I go to the book, the calendar, it might not be connected to my calendar, but all that I need to do is to just connect my calendar, iterate, because it has my calendar. My calendar is already in the back end of GoHighLevel, so it will just bring all the calendars that I have available and it's going to connect to that. But I'm not going to do that. You can do that. And it also gives you other options here, like you want to add a sticky header on scroll, you want to implement, there are so many things that it gives you recommendation, it thinks that you want to do or you have to do, and you can just click on that and it will do it. So it's thinking, it's finished thinking. Once it finishes thinking, it's just going to do this color changes. Once you finish, you just have to publish and connect your domain, and all this is done automatically for you. So the first thing you want to do is that you come here and then you go to publish. You have to publish before you can connect your custom domain. And so once you publish, or you can even change the name. If you don't like the name, you can change the name over here and give it a different name. Let's say Baykes 2, and change the name here. Yeah, I think it's not changing because it's still working. But you can change the name here if you want. And then if I publish this, I don't want to publish this, but once I publish this, I can come back here and add domain, put the domain name, and it's going to connect it at the back end for me. I can do so much. There's so much you can do. So I hope this was really valuable and helpful to you. Those of you watching this, I believe that you can use this to build so many landing pages. Now we all don't have any excuses about this is going to take too long and this and that. Now let's look at this. Boom, it's changed the color theme here. As I was saying, there's so much it can do, and if we go to preview, you're going to even see it better. And let's refresh and see. Okay, let's see here. It's still working, so it's not gonna see, but you get the idea. You see the preview, and you can see that things have changed, and even makes this guy bigger. Why choose us? And a couple of things have changed here, and this is amazing, guys. You cannot do this within 5-10 minutes. This would take you a whole day, a whole week, probably a whole month by the time you connect all the things in the back end together. So this is a big win for us, and I'm so excited about it. I want you to try it and let me know in the comment section what you think about this new AI studio. I don't know how much GoHighLevel is going to charge us, but I think it's worth every price because I'm already paying about $35 to $40 with Lovable, and I believe that this is going to be cheaper and it's going to be under the same roof, and it's going to talk to my other system, my other things, that assets that I have in GoHighLevel. So I'm really excited about this. If you want the full demo where I go into details and talk about everything, you can check out my video. Stop wasting hours building websites and funnel. GoHighLevel Studio does it in minutes, and it's a live demo. This video will appear somewhere on the left or right top corner of my screen. So I urge you to check it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this tool. I'm excited about it. What about you? Until we talk again, thank you very much for being here, and see you in the next video. Bye.